In C++, it's possible to have different functions with the same name. The compiler selects which function to call based on the entire function signature, not just the function name. Here I have a working copy of func-overload.cpp from Chapter 2 of the exercise files. In C++, the function signature consists of the return type, the function name, and the list of argument types. For example, here are three functions, all with the same name, volume. The first one is called volume. It returns a double, and it has one double as an argument. The second one is called volume. It returns double, and it has two doubles as its arguments. And the third one is called volume. It returns double, and it has three doubles as its arguments. So, respectively, the first one calculates and returns the volume of a cube, the second one the volume of a cylinder, and the third one the volume of a cuboid. And then I call each of these with printf, and you'll notice also that each of these has a printf in them. So the first thing to print will be the printf from the function, because the function actually gets called first before printf so that its return value can be passed to printf. So you'll notice when we run this that first it'll say cube of, and I believe this gets called with a 2.0, and then it'll say volume of a 2 by 2 by 2 cube is, and it'll give the result. And so that'll happen for all three of these, and I'm going to go ahead and build and run, and we see cube of 2.0, volume of a 2 by 2 by 2 cube is 8, and cylinder of 2 by 2, and the result is 25.133, and the cuboid, the result is 24.0. So there's some rules to this. The return type of a function cannot be its only distinguishing factor. The constantness of the return type can be, though, and often is. And there are rules about how types are promoted to distinguish parameters, so it's always a good idea to test your overloaded functions. This is one significant area where C++ differs from C. In C, a function is distinguished only by its name, and this example would not compile. And of course, you cannot overload a function where the only distinction in its signature is the return type. So in C++, functions are distinguished by their entire signature, so it's possible to have multiple functions with the same name that operate with different parameters and with different return types.